In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to kern in Fontlab. The font I'm using was exported from Fontself. To see how I did this, go to my earlier video. This will also show how I grouped or classed my glyphs. If you want to edit or see the classes, go to Windows, Panels, Classes. Here you can see how the letters are grouped. This means that the letters will follow the same kerning rules. To add to a kerning class, select a glyph and click Add. To add a new kerning class, click Add New Kerning Class. To edit spacing on either side of a glyph, you can double-click the glyph in the font window. Then to see how it spaces with the other letters, you can select the Type tool and enter either O's or N's. To then edit the spacing, select the glyph and either manually shift the spacing or enter it in the panel above. To kern, go to Window, New Kerning tab. Then type T to type. Here you can enter in text to help you kern. I like to use the text provided by Fontself, so I go back into Illustrator and copy my text with Ctrl+C. Then I paste this into Fontlab using the Type tool. Once this is in, you can hit Escape on your keyboard to kern. You can either kern manually by clicking on the glyph, or by entering in a number by double-clicking the number. If the window switches to edit mode, just open a new kerning tab again. Work your way through the text and then go back to Illustrator and copy the other kerning text. Kerning takes a long time, so don't be disheartened if you spend hours on it.